Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trying out some new drugstore makeup. I mean, most of it's like new. I have some Maybelline. CoverGirl is this new highlighter. I Heart Revolution, which is I Heart Revolution Makeup Revolution. Is it like a collection? I don't know. I don't know what I Heart Revolution is. So let's just get into the video. I'm going to start off with foundation. So Maybelline has this new foundation. So it is the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen. So this is a SPF 50 foundation. So that's pretty impressive. It's antioxidant enriched pollution protection. So let's go into this foundation. It's a nice little squeeze tube, which I like. I'm just gonna like squeeze it on my face. Okay, let's start. Ooh. Okay, it looks like there's decent coverage. Oh my gosh, my cat. What are you doing, you crazy? Nope. No. No. To go on my like vanity with all my stuff on it. Nope. He's gonna knock down stuff. Yeah, I see you. I see what you're doing. Ooh, you go over here. Coverage looks pretty decent. This does smell a little strange, but it's probably the sunscreen. It's not like a bad smell. It just smells different. So that was the shade 112 Natural Ivory. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of 120 Classic Ivory. It's a little bit deeper. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. But I'd say so far it's giving me nice coverage. So even on Ulta, it doesn't say like what type of finish it is. It just says flawless coverage. Oh, a lightweight, breathable finish, but that doesn't really say. Okay, so I'd say this is like a very nice medium coverage foundation. For the most part, it's covered up my redness and acne, but I mean, like I still have a little bit showing through, but it's not, but it still looks really great. So I'd say this is like a nice medium coverage, but definitely buildable. So I'm going to powder my face because I don't have any concealer or any new powder. But with powder, this foundation's looking really nice. Cat's playing with this toy in the background. I will say areas where I have some acne, they are a little bit dry. Could be because I didn't really moisturize before I put on this foundation, so my skin could just be a little dry. I did do a chemical peel yesterday, just like my own peel at home, so my face could be a little dry from that. So since this is a like more first impressions video, I might do a video kind of in like a month or two just explaining all of my first impressions and how I feel about them now after using them for a little while. So now I really want to try this palette from I Heart Revolution. So this is the Bronze and Glow palette. The packaging's interesting. It reminds me of like the Too Faced chocolate palettes. And you know what? I think Makeup Revolution did like copy their palette, like one of their chocolate bar palettes. So it's definitely looks similar. But the reason why I picked this up is because I've heard it's very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. And that palette is like $70. It's like $60 or $70. So that's why I wanted to pick this one up. So if you open the palette up, it has a bronzer and a highlighter, so we shall see. I'll put up a picture of the Charlotte Tilbury palette just so you can get like a comparison. I feel like I saw swatches of these next to each other and they were very similar. Unfortunately though, I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury palette because it's expensive. So I'm going to start, and this has a really nice mirror on it too. I'm going for more of like a bronzy look instead of contoured. That's kind of why I'm putting it everywhere. So the shade looks really nice though. And I'm going to contour my nose a little. And I'm actually going to bring that into my crease because I'm not using eyeshadow today. So I am seeing a little bit of like sheen or shimmer on my eye. Bronzer definitely has like a little bit of shimmer to it, but honestly I can't even tell on my face. So now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter, the moment of truth. Okay. iHeart Revolution is not playing. Okay. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. We're gonna bring it up here. We're gonna bring it up here. I'm like a little shocked. And from the front, it doesn't look like darker or gray. It's so pretty. Holy heck. I was not expecting that. Okay. Gonna add some on. And I'm so dumb because I literally was gonna try this CoverGirl highlighter. I guess I'll do another video because this highlighter is this highlighter today is the star of the show. She's like, CoverGirl who? No, we don't know CoverGirl. I'm like, what the on earth? What is iHeart Revolution? Who are you? Charlotte Tilbury who? Okay? Who's Charlotte Tilbury? We don't know her. My bank account doesn't know her either. Let's go into mascara. I'm not using Drugstore mascara. I'm gonna curl these lashes and admire my highlight. So we love a versatile queen. She's like, you don't need eyeshadow, honey. Update on the foundation. It's looking okay. It's looking pretty good. Like, I don't know if it'd be my favorite thing on earth, but I also like it because of the SPF. Definitely like a daytime foundation, obviously, because the high SPF. Ash is looking short. Now we're gonna go on to lips. So I have this lip liner from NYX. This is in the shade Nude Beige. I am obsessed with NYX lip pencils. Color is perfect. Like I was saying, NYX lip liners are the best. If you're looking for an affordable lip liner, NYX has got you covered. So last product we have is another one by iHeart Revolution. Who are these people? I don't know. So this is the iHeart chocolate lip gloss. So I specifically bought this because it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. It smells like hot chocolate. And a bitch loves hot chocolate. So, oh, I didn't even show the shade. Jesus. Oh, and the shade name. I bought this because of the shade name too. So this is the shade Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough, which chocolate chip cookie dough is my favorite type of ice cream. So I was like, it's fitting. I have to get it. Beautiful. It's a nice creamy formula. It doesn't have any shimmer in it. And it's not like the super pigmented type of gloss. It gives like some pigment, but it's not like full pigment. So this is the full face. I'm going to go through the products and just tell you guys my first impressions of them. Okay, so the foundation. My face looks pretty nice. I've only been wearing it for like an hour though, so I really can't give like my true opinions and thoughts about it. So I like it so far, but again, don't know exactly how it holds up on my skin. Okay, star of the show is the iHeart Revolution Bronze and Glow palette. This palette is absolutely beautiful. Totally 100% a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one. Like, it's beautiful. The bronzer was great. The highlighter, no words. It's a great palette. would definitely pick it up. Dang, I thought I would have another product to talk about because I thought I was going to be reviewing the CoverGirl highlighter, but then I forgot that there's a highlighter in this palette. Colby. NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. Such a beautiful color. It's like a nice brown. It's like a browny mauve shade. And the lip gloss. I feel like a nice glossy lip that smells like chocolate. You will love these. Again, this is the shade Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Yes, so beautiful. Beautiful. It's not sticky, like not sticky at all. So I'm pretty impressed by all these drugstore products. I didn't think I was gonna like all of them, but I really do. So again, I will do a video talking about first impressions, and I will give my like true thoughts and feelings about this foundation in another video. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.